got my money.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Adwoa and I'm an accounting student. Just taking you guys on my journey through this undergrad process. So today I decided that I wanted to do a what's in my backpack. I wanted to do one of these videos for a very long time, but I always put it off, and I have the opportunity to do so today, so I figured why not film it right now. I just got back home. I just got back home from school not too long ago, and this is going to be a very realistic what's in my backpack video. It's not going to be all staged and whatnot, so if you want to see what's in my backpack as an undergrad accounting student, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I should probably not sit in this chair the next time I film because I keep swinging and it's pretty distracting, and I'm so sorry about that. So in this first compartment I have two forms of lip balm. I have this Smith's Rosebud Salve that you can just get from Sephora, and then this Blistex chapstick because my lips get dry a lot, and it's probably because I don't drink enough water, but I'm trying to get better at it. In this second compartment here I have some straight tissues because my nose tends to run, my pencil case, and in my pencil case I have a mini stapler, I have my business calculator, I have 4 pens, one blue one just in case, you know, I want to change the color of my writing in my notes, a ruler, a Sharpie because we always have to write name cards, and I just figured it's easier to just bring my own, a mild liner, 2 mechanical pencils, lead for my mechanical pencils, an eraser, some post-it tabs, and whiteout. I used to carry a very small pencil case that would just hold my pencils, but I found that to be kind of annoying because I wouldn't be able to have my calculator, and as a business student, especially as an accounting student, you need your calculator at pretty much all times. So yeah, so it's my wallet. Bought this from Amazon, and my pencil case is also from Amazon. I'll try to link both if you guys want. I have more lead. I didn't know I had that in there. I have hand sanitizer because surfaces are nasty, an extra pen just in case, more straight tissues, and some painkillers because I tend to get a lot of headaches. So onto this big compartment here. And I apologize for the audio, my mic died so I can't really use it. So I have my Hydro Flask. You know, I'm a Visco girl. Oh, that's cringy. Should not do that. How do you even say it? I don't have a scrunchie though. I have a hair tie. I have my headphones. These are Bluetooth, and I can also connect them with an aux cord so they can be wired. And that's just for when I'm studying or when I'm commuting to and from school, just to listen to music. I also have some hand cream because after I wash my hands tend to get really dry, and I don't want that. It's not a cute look at all. I have my planner. This is just the it's like the academic calendar. No. It's a regular 2019 day designer. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if I'm going to get another day designer for the next year or for next year. I might switch it up and get a different one, but we'll see. I have some loose leaf just in case, you never know when you'll need it. And I have one of my notebooks. This is for my textbook notes. And I have a folder which majority of my papers go in. And I say majority because you'll see when I take the next thing out why I say majority. And that's just to keep, that's for all of my courses. And this is my notebook that I take notes in for every single class. These are just the classroom notes. As you can see, there's a lot of paper in here. And I usually do that because of the different examples and stuff. Last but not least, I have my tablet. I usually carry this or my laptop or both depending on the day. I try not to bring my laptop because it's so heavy and it just makes my backpack really heavy and I don't want that. And I just use my tablet to look at the PowerPoints or whatever I need in class or outside of class when I'm studying in the library. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below letting me know what is in your backpack. Also let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I'm trying to do more accounting student or just student related videos because I am a student, so I also want to share some of my knowledge if I have some to share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Okay, I put all this back. I'm so hungry. Wow.